I have made it, I have explained this many times. See, I have done nothing wrong. So if there is any little thing that I have personally done wrong, then maybe what you say, it's a different matter. But I have not done anything wrong, and I have again said that I will not allow myself to be railroaded, pushed, threatened to quit. No. I have a job, I was elected to do it, I will do it fairly. And we will act swiftly, there will be no distinction between people, and BCCI will act in a fair, just manner. So the question of I have answered this many times, so I don't want to repeat myself. And I think I've made my position clear. And in particular, all the reports that were there in the media for the last so many days, that there was a revolt in the BCCI and everyone counting how many people are with whom. None of that happened. All members, the BCCI is united, and the BCCI is determined to work to, as I said, justify people's faith in our tournament and in the BCCI. We have appointed a commission, and I said in my statement, the commission will determine this aspect also. And he has been, of course, he has been traveling with the team, he's enthusiastic, he has been with the team, fine. But what his role was, whether it transcended any rule, I have already read in a statement saying that the commission that is appointed will also deal with it. So I do not want to say anything on it. There is an inquiry commission that will go into it. I am not going to sit and explain to you what his role was. I have already, India Cement, I understand, has already issued a statement on what his role was or what his role was not. And again I repeat, all this question of yours as to what was his role, whether he transcended, that commission is going to, why should I've already said, I've distanced myself, I will not be part of that appointment, I will not be part of the deliberations, I will not be part of the decision. So I don't think, it is necessary for me to go further on this. Under the IPL operational rules, there is already the 5 members are in a committee. The members are Mr. Jetli, Mr. Shukla, Mr. Sanjay Jagdale, Mr. Ajay Shirke, and Mr. Ravi Shastri. Now, 2 of them, along with an independent third person, will be the commission. That will go into this, and then they will, we'll await their report. He did not have any role at all. In fact, he never visited the office of the Chennai Super Kings. But he would go. He was enthusiastic. I let the commission find out, but you asked me a question, I gave you a reply.